Logan Grimnar, the old wolf, Fangfather and High King of Fenris, has been the great wolf of the Space Wolves chapter for over 500 years and is one of the oldest chapter masters in the Imperium. Logan, like his fellow Space Wolves, is a fearsome warrior with great martial pride. He has led his great company, Night Runner, amongst many enemies of the Imperium and has shown a renowned thirst for battle, which some say even rivals that of their legendary Primarch, Leman Russ. He doesn't tolerate any outside interference while running the chapter, to the point where the Space Wolves have had numerous clashes with the Administratum and the Ecclesiarchy, and this has led to the accusations of heresy and treason. A warrior from birth, Logan fought his way through the ranks of the Space Wolves under the watchful eye of Ulrich the Slayer. Logan's leadership of the Space Wolves has endured for 500 years. The Thunderwolf Cavalry are a small elite unit of the Space Wolves who ride massive Fenrisian Thunderwolves into battle. These warriors do not appear in any official Imperial records and are seen so rarely in combat as to be considered almost mythical. The Space Wolves continue to officially deny the existence of these cavalry. Thunderwolves are truly monstrous animals that can grow as height as 8 feet at the shoulder. Their thick fur is as dense as steel wire, and their jaws, filled with enormous and rapidly replaceable teeth, can chew through steel. They are solitary by nature, attacking each other on sight, as if each one is seeking dominance over all other wolves on the planet. Logan Grimnar detailed his elite Thunderwolf riders to hunt down the enormous and terrible abomination of Sycorax, terrorizing Hive Necros. Through only glimpse, the legend of giant warriors riding metal-skinned wolf demons spread across the entire planet. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.